Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Tendai Mtawarira, also known as the Beast, a legendary South African rugby prop, exemplifies strength not just on the field but in his family life. Born in Zimbabwe and naturalized in South Africa, Mtawarira retired in 2019 after 117 Springbok caps and a Rugby World Cup victory. Today inspires as a role model for healthy black families alongside his wife Kuziva and their children. The Mtawariras prioritize physical wellness, a cornerstone of their household. Tendai maintains fitness through disciplined training, often involving the family. Kuziva, his wife, a former model and entrepreneur, promotes balanced nutrition with home-cooked meals featuring fresh South African produce like pap vegetables and lean proteins. The family hikes in Drakensberg Mountains and beach runs in Durban foster active bonding, teaching the kids resilience and teamwork values echoing Tendai's rugby ethos. Tendai credits Kuziva for grounding him during his career's pressures. They emphasized education, with the children excelling in school while learning Zulu and Shona heritage. Community involvement like Tendai's Beast Foundation, supporting underprivileged youth, instills giving back. In a world challenging black families, the Mtawariras defy stereotypes. Their union, married since 2013, models mutual respect, faith, and joy. Tendai often shares on social media family prides, laughter, fueled gatherings, and unwavering support. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.